Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Equitas Bank account. So follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in equitasbank.com. It will take you to the official website of Equitas Bank, and over here in this interface, you can see the login button at the top right corner. Click on it and choose your account type. It will take you to the login portal for your Equitas Bank account, and in this portal, enter the user ID of your account. Now enter the password of your account. Once you do that, enter the captcha that is given here. Now click on login. You will be logged into your Equitas Bank account, and in case if you guys forgot your login credentials, click here forgot user ID or password to reset it. Also, if you guys want to create a new account on Equitas Bank, click here new user registration. So this was for this video. This is how you can log in into your Equitas Bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.